welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shelly and I am back with another video. Today's video is a little bit different. We're in a different atmosphere. I will be I'm here with my little sister. She has a picnic. I don't even know how to call it, a picnic company, or a company will set up cute picnics for you. So if you do have a husband, your girlfriend, your sister, you want to celebrate with your significant other, go ahead and check her out. I'll definitely leave her handle right here. Check it out. Like, it is so pretty out here. It is so nice, and she's right here setting up at the moment. So I'll definitely do some B-roll for you guys so that you'll be able to see what she got going on. So remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. It's your girl Shelly. I know you guys have been seeing me for a while, but I'm back and I am here to stay. Okay, let me show y'all the area. So that's her setting up. And this park is very beautiful.
Hi guys, so just remember that if you're interested in experiencing a picnic, something like this, or you can actually let us know exactly what it is that you're looking for, and La Plage will go ahead and curate a beautiful atmosphere for you and your significant other. This was a great experience. I love the view. As you can see, I'm just mesmerized by the view, just watching the view. The view, you do get food as well. So everything that you're seeing here comes with the package, and depending on what package you get, you know, there are different packages, so you get different things. But every package comes with food, so you do receive the decoration or the decor, and also you will be receiving food for you and your loved one. So here we see that I have some glasses in my hand. I went into this Caribbean store and I saw these glasses, and I was listen, I had to get them. I had to get them on $1. Like, this isn't even Dollar Tree. These glasses are so bomb. So yeah, I went ahead and got them, cleaned them out, and I'm still drinking out of them. Let's enjoy this view.
So hi guys, welcome. So in here is very, very beautiful. And that's the founder right there. Her name is May. So you guys can go ahead and follow them on Instagram, and that's RBE.
Have like a walkway, you can rent the scooter thingies and go all around. Yeah, I was gonna say. Yeah, it's really cute. Oh, okay, this is funny. You go everywhere. I'm like, oh.
So, I'll use myself as an example. This past 2 years, I had some goals that I needed to meet the loan requirement of what I was applying for. That's how I predicted of how much I wanted to write off, which, of course, ended me in paying over.
For my little sister that loves Chinese, I'm gonna bring this home for you. So, no, I'm gonna get it now. I want a salad. Okay. Because I'm fasting. Yeah. A good choice.
I wanted something hot.
No.
Are you like spiritually fasting or just
Church.
nice?
Yes,
Nice.
church.
What church do you go to?
Girl, what's the name of the church?
Oh Lord.
I know the name of the pastor. So there are so many restaurants in here. What are you getting?
I think I was Chinese. I eat Mexican every single day. It's not like no more.
This is cute. And that's the ladies.
Hey guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I am so thankful for you guys for stopping by. I'm thankful for you guys for being a part of the family. And until next time, this is your girl Shelly. I love you. Bye.